The Water Authority's asset management programme benefits ratepayers by prioritising repairs and ensuring our maintenance money is spent wisely. For years, the agency has been a national leader in using advanced technology to protect the region's large-scale water infrastructure. We were among the first agencies to take such a proactive approach to managing our pipelines and other key assets, and our efforts continue to evolve and adapt to enhance our capabilities. In January, the Water Authority deployed a new tool called Remote Field Technology, which measures pipe wall thickness and anomalies by detecting changes in electromagnetic fields. Crews used the RFT tool to assess a 5-mile segment of one of the Water Authority's oldest and most difficult to access pipelines. The flexible design of the RFT tool, using inflatable components, allowed it to be installed through an entry point that was much smaller than the pipeline's 39-inch diameter. Once inside, the RFT tool was capable of detecting areas of corrosion so small that they might otherwise go undetected. RFT is a cost-effective technology, one more example of the Water Authority's visionary efforts to safeguard the region's investments in a safe and reliable water supply.